The growing for mechanical keyboards demonstrates how users value precision, durability, and efficiency. Similarly, sauna enthusiasts are increasingly seeking high-quality electric sauna stoves that provide consistent heat, reliable performance. List number 1. Finlandia Harvia FLB-80 KIP 80B sauna heater, 8 kilowatt 240 volt 1 pH. The Finlandia Harvia FLB-80 KIP 80B is a high-performance 8 kilowatt electric sauna stove designed for residential or commercial saunas. Its robust construction ensures long-lasting reliability, while the 240-volt power supply heats the sauna quickly and efficiently. This stove features precise temperature control, allowing users to customize their sauna experience. Its sleek design fits seamlessly into most sauna interiors, providing both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Ideal for serious sauna enthusiasts seeking quality, durability, and consistent heat performance. List 2. Mxmoonant sauna heater, 9 kW 220-volt electric sauna heaters, digital control sauna stove, dry steam. The Mxmoonant 9 kW electric sauna heater is perfect for medium to large saunas. With 220-volt power and digital controls, it offers precise temperature adjustments and timer settings for convenience and safety. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the dry steam feature provides a relaxing, traditional sauna experience. Easy to install and maintain, this stove is designed for users who want an efficient and reliable electric sauna solution with modern digital control. List 3. Sauna heater, 3.6 kW, 110-volt internal control temperature adjustable, stainless steel electric sauna. This 3.6 kW, 110-volt electric sauna heater is ideal for smaller saunas or home installations. Its internal temperature control allows for easy adjustments, while the stainless steel body ensures longevity and resistance to heat and moisture. Lightweight and compact, it fits into most home sauna spaces without sacrificing performance. Designed for safety and efficiency, it delivers consistent heat for a comfortable sauna session, making it a practical choice for anyone looking to enjoy a personal sauna experience without high energy costs. List number 4. VEVOR sauna heater, 9 kW 220-volt electric sauna stove, steam bath sauna heater with external control. The VEVOR 9 kW electric sauna stove combines power and precision with its external control panel, allowing users to adjust temperature and timing easily. Designed for medium-sized saunas, it delivers fast, even heat while ensuring safety. Its durable stainless steel construction provides long-term reliability, and the stove supports traditional steam bath use with sauna stones. Ideal for those seeking a versatile, professional-grade sauna heater for both home and small commercial use. List number 5. VEVOR sauna heater, 220-volt electric sauna stove, steam bath heater with 3 hours timer and adjustable temperature. The VEVOR 220-volt electric sauna heater features a 3-hour timer and adjustable temperature, making it convenient for home sauna enthusiasts. Its durable build withstands high heat and humidity, while the compact design fits most sauna rooms. Perfect for creating a relaxing steam bath experience. It offers efficient heating and easy operation. A reliable and affordable option, this stove is designed for users looking for consistent performance and customizable sauna sessions at home.